Unfortunately, many drivers don't know their spare isn't there until they need it. And regrettably, you will be the bearer of bad news. In some cases, there are tire inflator kits provided in place of the spare tire. These are various types of tire inflator kits. So, read the directions on how to use the kit before using it. The sealant may not be able to seal all punctures, depending on their severity and location. See the instructions included with the tire sealant kit, as there is a limit to how large a hole can be sealed. The puncture must be across the main tread. Do not remove the object that punctured the tire. The object remaining in the tire typically provides a smaller hole to seal than removing the object, and a better chance of sealing the leak. Damaged, badly worn, and cracked tires are not good candidates for tire sealant. Sidewall damage is not a candidate for tire sealant. In addition, the sealant that gets injected into the tire has an expiration date. The sealant might not work as well after that date. After using sealant, advise the member to pay attention to their tire pressure monitor and to check tire pressure periodically. Remind the member that this is a temporary fix, and the tire still must be evaluated to determine whether it should be repaired or replaced. In a case where the tire sealant cannot be used or the tire does not hold air after sealant use, the vehicle must be towed.